Well, good mid-morning. I forgot to charge my tablet, so I can't use it. The grocery shop, because it's at 3%. So I wrote some things down, looking at the apps today. Now it is Wednesday, so if you're shopping at Safeway or any of their affiliate stores, I believe there's California, there's Albertsons and Ralph's and Vons and those type of locations. Anyhow, if your store is under that umbrella of Safeway, today is senior discount day, so you'll get an additional 10% off on whatever your purchase is. I didn't see a whole lot going on at Safeway as far as what we can value ourselves and benefit from. Look at that shirt, okay. Benefit from in regards to pricing. Now I did see, we're gonna go get some petite sirloins. They're at $3.97 a pound, and I believe you get a limit of 2, and it's while supplies last. So when the supply's gone, they're gone. Whenever it says while supplies last, you won't get a rain check. And they're $3.97 a pound. So we're gonna go get a couple of packs of those. They are packaged, so I'm guessing there's probably 4 to 6 in a pack at $3.97 a pound. Those are great to either eat that way or slice them thin like I've showed you in one of my videos and make a chicken fried steak out of it, or put it in your Ninja or food processor and make ground beef. So we're gonna go get those. I also see they have eggs at $2.47 a dozen. Now last week they were at $1.99 a dozen, so we picked up a dozen last week, but we're not gonna get any eggs this week, don't really need them. And at that price, wait till they come down. We shop around a lot for those type of items. Trader Joe's traditionally has them at $1.99 a dozen. So if they're not that cost at Safeway or Walmart or Bash's, the stores we frequent, we'll go to Trader Joe's. So we do shop around for the eggs. Now I also see that they have milk, half-gallon milk, and I believe it's their brand signature, at $1.27 for a half gallon. We're now trying out lactose-free milk. I have gluten issues and I have lactose issues. I have all kinds of issues as I gotten old. We're not gonna get it because we're now trying the, I think it's called Horizon brand, lactose-free milk. We're gonna try that to see if that helps with my burning that I get from milk. So anyhow, that's what's going on. Too much information, right? That's what's going on over at Safeway. Just the eggs, the petite sirloins. Now they do have strawberries. It says 2 for $3, but they don't tell you the carton size. I don't know if that's a 6 ounce, a 4 ounce, 8 ounce, 16 ounce. It doesn't say. It says 2 for $3, limit 4. So Bash's has 16 ounce for $1.99. So we may pick some up at Bash's because we're heading over there. Now, if you have Bash's in your area, and I believe Bash's is only here in Arizona or the western part of the U.S., I could be wrong, B-A-S-H-A-S, Bash's. And I do know that they are part of the Food City chain. So if you have a Food City, a Dine Mart, Eddie's Country Store, AJ's Fine Foods, Riley's, they're all under that, or Rayleigh's, it's all under that umbrella of Bash's. So we are gonna run to Bash's. They do have 5 pounds of potatoes for 97 cents a bag. It doesn't say limit, so I'm gonna get 20 pounds because we haven't many potatoes on sale for quite some time and we're almost out. However, I haven't bought potatoes since November. We have December, January, February, March, 4 months, no potatoes. I didn't have to buy any because they were prepped. So, but we're getting low, almost gone. So I'm glad that they have those. So we're gonna run over to Bash's and I am gonna get potatoes. I'm gonna take a look at the strawberries at $1.99 to see if they have anything of value that I might want. And what else did I write down here? I think that was it. They also have chicken breast at $2.88 a pound, and it's at the butcher counter. Now, backtrack in a moment. Safeway has it, I believe, at $2.99 a pound at the butcher's counter. But last week, they were $1.99 a pound. So if you didn't get them last week, they're up $1 this week. But they do have it. So we're gonna take a look at that. We don't need it, but they're at Bash's. I'm not gonna get any. We don't need chicken. Now they have T-bone at $8.98 a pound. Now that's a decent price. The last time we bought a T-bone, I believe we paid $7.98 a pound. Bash's has it at $8.98 a pound, which is a great price as long as they're not cut those thin ones. If they're thin, they can keep them. We're not gonna buy any, but they do have them on sale if you wanna check those out at $8.98 a pound. They also have yeah, that's it. Potatoes, strawberries, T-bone, chicken. That's really about it. So short video, to the point, and then we're gonna buy potatoes, and I'll do some prepping later today of potatoes and get those done. And happy shopping. Tell me what you bought this week. Save you money, spend it wisely. Until next time, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.